Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make a microwavable omelet with just this omelet pan. And this is a really way to make something that you can just eat if you're just cooking for yourself, or you don't have a lot of time because you don't have to wash like a pan or anything. You just have this little plastic thing that you put in the microwave, and this is all you're gonna need. You're just gonna need eggs, some non-stick spray because it will stick if you don't use it, and then this bowl is just to crack the eggs in, and some stuff that you're gonna put in it. Now I'm only using 2 ingredients, and that's because if you put too much in it, it will bubble over and you're gonna have a mess in your microwave and it won't cook correctly. So don't use too much in it. So I cracked 3 eggs in, and the next thing you're gonna do is just like whisk them up. Then take your eggs and just pour in like half and half. It doesn't need to be perfect, you can just approximate it. After that, you're just gonna open your microwave and put the pan in. And be careful not to spill it. So put that in for 1 minute as this. When you take it out, it should look like this. And just take like your vegetables, whatever it is you're putting in it, and just fill up the side that's gonna be the bottom part, so it's like the colored side. And then just fold it over like that, close it, and put it in the microwave. And that's gonna go in for 1 minute as is. Usually I'll do it a little more than a minute because 2 minutes for 3 eggs usually doesn't really cook it all the way through. And then just take it out and open it up, and it'll be really hot, but just, there you go. I mean, that's the omelet. So I just put some frozen vegetables with it, and that's it. It's really simple to use and it tastes really good.